Hello all. Welcome to my channel Brand Studio. Today I'm breaking down my top 6 must-have shoes for men, pairs that I genuinely think every guy should have in his wardrobe. We've got 3 boots and 3 ankle-length sneakers, all perfect for winter styling. So let's jump straight in. The first pair is the classic desert boots from Clarks, one of the most trending, versatile, and stylish boots you can own. Even after 3 years of wear, they still look fresh. They pair beautifully with both semi-formal and casual outfits. Suede leather, especially, is a winter favorite. Their minimalist design pairs well with slim or straight-fit jeans, especially when matched with a simple t-shirt or layered with a denim jacket or flannel for an easy everyday outfit. Clarks desert boots elevate outfits with understated style and classic comfort. The second pair is Chuka boots by Jack & Jones. They share many similarities with desert boots, but I picked these mainly because of the unique color, which adds a nice touch to my wardrobe. That makes them a great wardrobe staple for men looking to add a bit of polished edge to their outfits, creating a balanced look that's neither too casual nor overly formal. For a laid-back vibe, pair Chuka boots with dark denim, a plain or graphic tee, and a bomber or leather jacket for a street-smart feel. The third pair is my Oxford boots, perfect for casual outfits. The quality of these Oxford boots is exceptional, and the double-tone leather adds distinctive character. These boots offer the best value in their price range compared to other brands. Rugged tan Oxford leather boots pair perfectly with camo or military-inspired outfits. My go-to look is camouflage cargo pants with a denim shirt, topped off with either a military jacket for a classic field style, or a leather jacket for a bolder edge. More than just casual footwear, these boots complement semi-formal outfits too, like chinos and a check shirt topped with a blazer for a polished appearance. Moving on to sneakers, the fourth pair is the iconic Converse Chuck Taylor high tops. With top-quality canvas and the iconic flat sole, Converse Chuck Taylor sneakers have been a favorite for generations, exuding a classic, old-school charm. These are timeless, lightweight, and go well with almost every casual outfit. Perfect for everyday wear in winters because the ankle coverage keeps you slightly warmer than low tops. The more you wear them, the more they reflect your personal style. Over time, they become truly yours, complementing everything from any type of jeans and hoodies to shorts and simple t-shirts. Another sneaker in my wardrobe, and honestly a favorite across all age groups, is the Nike Air Jordans. I am having these sneakers in Electro orange. Bold, vibrant, and instantly recognizable. I've been wearing mine since 2022, and I take care of them the way Jordans deserve. That's why they still look so fresh. When it comes to styling, these sneakers add instant attention to any casual outfit. Whether I'm wearing denim, cargos, shorts, or even athleisure, the Electro orange Jordans always stand out and elevate the entire look. The next sneaker is my Diesel Magnet Exposure. These are mid-top casual sneakers from Diesel featuring bold branding and red leather detailing. It features a leather and textile upper, a lace-up construction, the iconic Diesel side pocket as well as a suede toe cap. These are mid-top/high-top casual sneakers, which adds a unique touch and makes them look even more stylish. These are super versatile, and you can wear them with casual outfits in both summers and winters. Lightweight, eye-catching and comfortable, a perfect everyday sneaker with a bit of attitude. So these were my top 6 must-have men's shoes for the winter wardrobe. 3 boots and 3 ankle-length sneakers that cover everything from semi-formal looks to casuals. Let me know in the comments which pair you like the most, and don't forget to subscribe to Brand Studio for more style tips.